Hey, mommy.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Oh, that's the.
Oh my god.
The record.
Please, God. How did you get this? How?
Ay, nice.
Wow. What is that? What the? Wow. That's not my
This is
dog.
my first time having this. Oh my god.
I want to break the box.
Oh my god. I look like. Thank you. Should I look like a long thing? Thank you. Oh my god.
I wonder who got the biggest box.
I think Chloe. Kuya. Oh my gosh, I didn't even put my listen and now I got it. Oh my god, this is the best Christmas ever. I didn't even know I'm gonna even get this.
Oh wait.
I really like the
You like it? Yeah. If you let me first.
Ano, hindi niya mag-
Yeah.
Break it.
Wow.
Come in.
Ay, meron pa naman.
Oh my god.
There's more. There's more. Kuya na lang. Oh no, kami ni Budi.
The more the merrier.
The more the merrier. Yay!
Oh wow.
Ay!
I'm gonna wait tomorrow.
I'm ready.
Thank you. Mommy!
But I don't wear boxers.
I know. Wow! Nakasipan pa!
Itong medyas ko.
Oh, thank you, Misa.
Sabi mo na kayo na short ah.
I do will.
Wow.
Oh,
Rachel Tommy. Oo nga. Ah, may bagong damit.
Such a beautiful.
Wow.
Bukas na lahat ang bago. Lahat tayo po sa pambay mo.
Wow.
Thank you, Pizza. Thank you.
Pretty quick.
I didn't even know it was a pizza.
Oh, because they were baggy, that's why. I want to bag it for that.
Who's turn? Mommy's turn? Ano din? Oy, you gift, baby. Give your gift, please. May gift sila. Can I go ask?
Let me give. Maybe this is actually cool.
Thank you. Wait, how do I open it? Kuya. How do I open it?
Oh, this is mommy.
I'm not curious.
Well, thank you.
Paper towel.
The lighter inside.
Paper towel.
And actually later. You have a pink towel too.
Yeah. Thank you, Chang. Good job, Chang. I need that. Where are the
There's
paper
a lighter
towels?
in there. Oh, that's only for a bottle.
Oh, inside. Oh, baba, you give.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, finally, you did it. I'm cooking. Thank you. Good job, Chang. Good job, Chang. Thank you. Mommy's turn. Mommy's turn.
No, my turn.
Oh, your turn. Oh, my Uy, tawa ako sa amin. One, two, three. Meow. Okay. Mommy's turn. Mommy's turn.
Sorry, please forgive me.
I tried. Ayaw naman po kayo regalo ng mga baby.
Wow.
Wow! Okay, I have the other piece.
What is that?
Yan ang version ni Chloe ng ng sushi.
Yeah, maybe a poop.
I don't want breakfast.
That's okay.
What is this?
Uy, ginawa niya na! Oh!
Hold on. Why is so much tape?
Yeah, because you wrapped it.
Okay, hold yours. And Kuya, hold yours. Dali, yung picture. Dali.
Hindi ginawa niya yan!
What is
Linda.
Dinahin niya! Oo!
Dapat yan?
Oo! Dinahin niya! Tapos dinahin niya.
One, two, three. Okay, yes, eh.
Ang galing niya! My turn! Ang galing si Jaina!
Bumanda kayo sa mami niyo. Ito na si mami. Galante yan, galante. May break time pa pala. Hindi pa nakaka. May break time.
Ay, siya ba? Eyelashes mo.
Thank you, Master. I never had this before. This was the first time having it. I love it.
Put them all together. Put them all together.
Is that a slide? How do you make this a slide?
Oh my God. You can
Oh, you're in?
There's a fly,
The water park?
That's what you need to do. No, I got it. Where is it? Seriously? I got so much there's a kitty cat and toys.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Di ba yung silang lahat?
I like it. Oh, yeah. I get to
It's so soft right now.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I open it?
Yes.
Can I open it?
Take it.
Go on, do it.
What's that? Oh my God!
Ano ba? Not so bad. What about you?
I just put that on my wrist. I do it. I've been waiting. Thank you. I've been waiting for this so long. Thank you, Daddy. I've waited for this so long. Now I have it. Yay. We can practice so much. When we grow up, we can be like a business.
Oh, what about Chloe?
You be a poop doctor. Oh my gosh, look what I just got. Wait, this is actually easy. Why is there even six
Ano yan?
Chloe!
Wow.
Oh, no, meron pa man ako hindi na bibigyan yan.
God, have like three.
Nakalimutan.
Is there a pack of deodorant?
Malakihan ba to?
gamitin na people.
Just a box.
Ano, open it. Open it.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Ito, baby, oh.
What's inside? What is it? Is it deodorant inside? Check.
Is there money?
Is it deodorant?
Ano yan? Oh, it's heavy. Malaki yan, nalaman niyo.
Lego.
It's getting bigger.
Let's open it then.
It's not just one.
Chloe first.
Oh.
Oh no. I'm not gonna stay in my bedroom.
Open it.
Oh my God, it's a Lego.
We want to see it. We want to see it. Mommy, see too.
Okay, hindi. Ito, wait. Sila dala.
Chloe first.
Oh, what?
Open it, TJ.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Which one?
Not that one.
Puro box lang yan.
If the present is done, I go to the store. Two songs. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now.
Baka na
I have a doctor set, a Barbie set, and a Taylor Swift set.
Oh, don't open the Barbie yet, okay?
Okay, tomorrow.
Udon.
What does that mean?
Udon.
Hey, do you know what that is?
No,
That's Colombia.
we got udon. Yummy.
Meron pa yan, hindi
Oh,
ko lang.
I know it!
Mahal.
What is that?
Yummy. This is my gift, udon.
I want that too.
Meron pa pala sa loob. Can I open my doctor set? Can I open my doctor set, Mommy?
Oh no.
Hey, that's not gonna be complete without that. You gotta open that.
Where did I put it?
Ooh, you got a little bed?
Wow.
You got your own insulated bed.
I wanted to be a
Wow.
doctor when I grow up.
Colombia.
I wanted to be a doctor when I grow up. Princess!
You have your pants too.
This is mine.
You gotta open this one.
This is mine.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, kasi mababait na bata. Mababait na bata.
What is that? What is that?
I got chips.
Oh, that's where the box is.
Second.
Oh my God, I'm so excited right now.
What is that, Chloe? I think I know what it is. What, boy?
A bunch of unicorn shirts.
More unicorn.
What the?
Take it out. It's a lot of wood.
What's in this?
Oh, open that.
Am I going to be in
Is there money?
Wala pa.
Oops, sorry.
Oh no, how many unicorn shirts?
No, that's not shirt. This is different. Take it out.
Oh, hindi kayo nagka-shopping the whole year eh.
What?
You have a lot of clothes.
Wala na po yung paper.
Wow.
Not faded anymore. You gotta choose which one you gotta wear tomorrow. you got a lot?
Team Comedy.
More things. Another good
Nakal yan.
Oh no, where am I gonna put all this?
Ano pa? Oh?
Wow.
There's more.
Extra na extra.
Oh, that's a lot.
Another one.
Oh.
I have to put this away. Oh no.
Oh, Misa.
This one is funny.
Hindi, hindi naman pareho.
Thank you. Nakakatawa yan.
Nakakatawa yan. Hindi naman, iba naman ako.
Hair dryer.
I'll be back.
Social yan! Hindi na siya mag-amas ng mga. Yung sa iba naman,
Bibili ko ba na din?
bibili mo ba? Okay, petting ka. Ganda. Sino ba yung bibili ko? Kay Mami yung gusto. Sabi ko, puta, hindi pala yung binigay ko kay Mami. Kasi meron yung sa kapag ko.
Nakakatawa pala.
Ito hindi nakahuli yan. Traffic yan eh.
Oh, yun.
Tapos na siya.
Ano pa? Song.
Wow! Meron pa. Maliit mga maliit. Okay, maliliit nila. Kasi ko muna yung Baba.
Oh, it's not already.
Oh, sir. Mas malaki.
Mas malaki. Naghihiraman sila.
Oo nga. Babay. Babay. Naghihiraman kayo.
What's that?
Okay ba? Diba?
Snail polish.
Oh my gosh, I love
Okay
that
ba?
color.
Thank
Thank you! Yay!
Okay ba?
Oh my gosh!
Oh, tama sa kanya to.
Ano lang natin? Ano ito magluto na namin kasi floral. Floral.
Tama na po
Oh my gosh!
Ito ang favorite ko matan. Sabi ko siguro matang topping eh.
Dapat dyan, baba.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Oh!
What?
Oh! I don't care.
What's that?
Oh, you have your own tutor. That's it done. O baka may
There's more.
baka may ngayon. Binuksan na nila. Is that my melody?
How do I get this?
Dinala na lang kanina. Ngayon mo lang dinalot yan eh.
Baba.
Mama, there's a drill.
Get me the red one. That's mine.
Mama, there's a drill. I help you.
Ano yan? Galing sa... Yan yung malaki pa.
I hope it's safe.
Secret.
Where's that?
I'm telling you. Hold on. Save the best for last.
Are you coming tomorrow?
No!
Of course. Wait, can we match tomorrow?
Yes!
Sino mo?
Oh, wow!
Ay, pahimo kayo.
Hey, the wallet. Where's the wallet?
Yes, book. Oh, sino mo? Pangkuko sa baba, pangkuko. baby. Sino ba na? Papa, you have your... Ilan more? What the hell? Limited?
What's heavy? A little. Wait, look at that.
Kaya pinagluwang ko ito. That's all from mommy. What's this?
Oh my god, that's so much good. I was
Boy, get the big one.
fit in my backpack. Ang pag-vlog naman pala niyan. Ano, how did it fit in my school backpack?
May body wash. Talaga yung body wash mo? Hindi, walang body wash sa sa'yo.
Oh, I got it.
What's wrong? Ano, shit ang pala lang.
Oh, you fit? Oh, I know. You know.
Wow!
Wow!
Do you like the body wash?
Wait, that's for us. That's for all four of us. For all the kids.
That's for all the kids.
That's for mommy.
That's for mommy.
Is it what I think it is?
That's for mommy. Where is it? Sana yan? Sana yan? Who's got the biggest ball? Who's got the biggest ball?
It's ours.
Ours now! No, it's for mommy. What do you think it is?
Mini print. It's big. It's yours?
Yes, take a guess.
We have a small one.
Oh, you can use it! Thank you. Oh, this is for us.
Wow.
That's for everybody. Everybody. We bought that for mommy so she can make juice for everybody. Whoa.
Where are you gonna put that? Here's this one. Oh,
That's Lego? Open it.
Oh, may magagamit tayo juice.
Oh, maybe it's slime. It's slime. Oh, they even got Play-Doh is slime.
You can juice lahat. Everything. Hindi smoothie. Juice.
What? Wait, look at necklace. Oh, I love necklace. Thank you.
Ikaw ko the necklace. What?
Wait, Mommy, do we share this? Mommy, do we share this? Is that just for Baba or both for us?
There's two more.
Those gifts are
There's more.
Oh,
There's two more.
that's too much, Mommy.
Wait, ho. Too much, mommy. Nagreklamo na. Okay. What's your ano one? I know. Oh, hindi kasi binuksan ni Baba. Nasa loob yun
Is
eh.
it mine?
You open it. That's yours now. Because the wallet has money. So you won't use Ziploc anymore. Okay, you want medical lang. Sige yung sa'yo, i-send ko na lang. Babalik, isang. Wow, you have wallet. What? Wallet?
I got a wallet. What in the world is this? I have money.
You have money?
That's money.
Wow, let's buy it tomorrow.
How much? That's for Gucci bag.
That's for Gucci bag. Kasi na yung huli ano na natin black.
What in the world? This is a bag.
What? You got money?
Wow.
So you guys have money.
Yeah.
Parang ko yun. Ano lagi sa reza?
I do.
May nabana agad siya eh. Oh. Na. Sophia and Malia.
Oh, that's both of us. Mama, let's open this together. Mama, not yet. Let's put some. I know. I have to put my money in my wallet. Oh my gosh, I have a wallet already. It's so cute. It's pink. Well, Joe, let's go open it from the back. It's more easy.
Kasi kung pinagsama-sama mo sa isang kahon, sa isang bukasan, gusto nga marami.
Let me open it. Let me open it. Let's open here.
Oh no, you guys don't have home?
Bida kasi meow meow eh.
I don't care.
Meow 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 meow.
Lock it up! Lock it up!
Ano yan? Oh, yung kanya nasa video. Uy, there's more. There's more.
Pinahapon.
Oh, si Mo, ang ganda na yata ni Meow. Meow.
Oh my god. How do I open it?
For you and San Jose. Pipi. I love it. Pipi. Pipi. Oh, that's only one. That's the best ever.
Pipi. Meow. Is that my cat?
You love cats, ha? You know why you love it. What is that? Maybe you'll be like a normal.
Wait, this is my laptop! Wait! Wait, this is my laptop!
Let's play that.
I played it on my laptop! Make a ladder. They have that on my laptop.
That's my favorite game. Let's play it.
That's my
So
favorite.
ito kuya. What game? Snake and ladder. Oh, snake and ladder. I like that. Oh, sino mo roll for chunk, okay? Get your own kick mo. Nakapag-juice tayo, may. Ito yung juice. Okay, I love that. Stop! Stop doing this! Stop!
Where did this rock?
Stop! Put this water for you.
What?
Yeah, you can put it on your water bottle.
Is that real?
I got Pro Plus. I know, I like it. I'm gonna buy one of those.
I was gonna ask my friend if I can lend him money to buy them. Hey, Mama, you help me open it.
It's $50. I've never seen it in real life.
That's only 50.
They can use a little bit of get twisted. What size is it?
Oh wow, what's that?
They closed out the super dry. So we're gonna buy you new.
I have a lot of
Hindi mo trip ulit to.
No, I do like it.
Heavy? It will keep me warm at night. Wala tatalo sa gitna.
Meow.
Chima! Meow! Sip-lili! Kanta mo! Wow!
I'm done with the shirt.
Bakit?
Wow, doctor. Doctor ba ba?
No, I'm the doctor.
Oh, you're the doctor. Why would you then say it? Oh, you like it? You treat Baba. She's sick. Remember?
Na ano, na-heal talaga.